Welcome to Learning Space Africa. Today we are going to talk about significant figures. Some questions involving significant figures often involve rounding off numbers. If you haven't watched our video on significant figures, please pause this video and watch that before continuing. When we ask to round off a number, we need to consider some four basic rules. The first rule is that we will have to round up a number if our dropped digit is greater than 5. What do we mean by this? So for example, if we have a number, in this particular example, if we have a number such as 0.028673, and we are asked to round this off to, let's say, 3 significant figures. What we first see in this number is that we have two leading zeros here, and these two leading zeros are not significant. So we have our first 3 significant digits, which are these non-zero digits here, has to be the 2, 8, and 6. Our dropped off number, right? We are dropping off the numbers beginning from this 7. This dropped off number 7 here is greater than 5. So it means that we have to round this 6 here up to 7. So we end up with a correct answer, which is going to be 0.0287 as our round off number that contains 3 significant figures. The next rule is that we will have to round down if our dropped digit is less than 5, right? So what do we mean by this? Suppose we have a number such as 18.3384, and we are asked to round this number to, again, 3 significant figures. What we know is that all non-zero digits are significant, so we will have this 18.3, and our dropped off number here, this 3, is less than 5. So we basically are rounding down to a correct answer of 18.3 as the number that is round off and contains the 3 significant figures as required in this particular question. In the next rule, if our dropped digit is equal to 5, we have two options. We will have to round up to make our retained digit even. In cases where our retained digit is odd, we have to round down. So what do I mean by this? Let's say that we have the number 6.8752, and we are asked to correct this number to 3 significant figures. Here, our 3 significant figures, first 3 significant figures have to be this. But look at the dropped off digit. This is a 5. So in this particular case, because this retained digit, this 7 here, is odd, we will have to round up to make this number even. So we end up with 6.88 as our correct answer that contains 3 significant figures. Now, let's look at this other example. So this example 2. Now let's make this example 1, right? So in example 2, what we will see is that if we have a number such as 92.05, and we are asked to correct this number to 3 significant figures, we will see is that this 0, this is a captive 0, so it is significant. So our first 3 significant digits have to be 92.0. But now we have our dropped off digit, in this case is equal to 5. But we know that if we round this 0 to 1, we will make this number odd. But remember, 0 is an even number. So we will have to leave our final answer as 92.0, right? And these are the rules when we are dealing with rounding off numbers to solve problems involving significant figures.